Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now by cutting the obvious noise sources so you can isolate the keyboard sound. First, mute system and keyboard feedback sounds in settings. This stops click tones at the OS level. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb or Focus so notifications won't trigger. Make sure you have a keyboard cover or external keyboard standing by. They change tactile noise. By handling these basics immediately, you remove both software and simple hardware contributors before deeper fixes. Next, dive into drivers and configuration to stop persistent sounds. Open Device Manager, update the keyboard driver, or rollback if noise began after an update. Drivers affect debounce and firmware behavior. Then, in accessibility or typing settings, turn off auditory feedback and keypress sounds so software won't add clicks. Also adjust repeat rate and sensitivity. Slower actuation reduces rapid micro noises. These steps change how the keyboard reports input, which directly lowers audible artifacts caused by software or firmware. Finally, address the physical sound sources to finish the job. You can apply a thin silicone or fabric cover to the keyboard to damp vibrations. This absorbs the majority of click noise. If specific keys are loud, remove and replace noisy keycaps or insert a thin foam underlay beneath the key assembly. Test thoroughly with repeated typing and shortcuts. If noise persists, try a safe BIOS reset or system management controller reset. This fixes firmware-level scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.